Hi and welcome again, guys. In this quick video I'm going to show you how to complete setting up your landing page and connect it to the thank you page. We're going to have a look at the options we have for our thank you page. Be sure to watch the video right through because you're going to find this very helpful. So we have the option of going with a simple thank you page, which is automatically generated after the call to action has been carried out, or we can design our own particular style of thank you page. So that's what we're going to cover in this video. So to alter this form or to do anything concerning this opt-in, we just click on here. We're not dealing with the design here. We've done that in a separate video. We're going to deal with the submission, what follows after the call to action has been carried out. So we click on submission and you can see here where it says form submission, the thank you page, and just focus that, the thank you page will be a simple thank you page. And you have the option of opening it in a new window or just staying on the same window. That's up to you. You can preview that if you want. Let's have a look at that. So you're almost done. Activate your subscription. So this is the default simple thank you page setting, which is also by default a double opt-in. So we can go with that, or we can go with, and we'll come back to that again regarding double opt-in or single opt-in. We'll come back to that point. So if we want to use not the simple thank you page that's generated automatically, if we want to create our own, we now click on here and use our custom URL. So we're going to get this custom URL from the thank you page we are going to create ourselves, and then take that custom URL and insert it in here. Okay, so when we design our own style thank you page, we'll collect the custom URL, the URL of that thank you page, and that's what we're going to put in here. So we're going to cover that now. And also the other option where it has none, no thank you page, well, that's if you don't want to use a thank you page, but it's always a good idea to use a thank you page. Okay, leave it on simple for the time being. Then we're going to now go into making our own thank you page. So here's the options. Here's the landing pages options, and included in there is, there we go, is confirmed opt-in or thank you. This will be a single opt-in. So we're going to go through making both. So we'll choose this. You can preview it if you like, but okay, let's preview it for the sake of previewing it. Just see what it looks like. Okay, it's quite nice, isn't it? So that's what the thank you page will look like. The thank you page we're now designing. We're going to select it now. We're going to choose this template and start working on it. Okay, so that's our template, our thank you template we're going to start working on. So you can leave this as it is. If you want to do that, you can leave it as it is, and you just collect the, let's go into here, that's this page's URL. So you would just collect this. If you wanted to just leave this as it is, thank you for thanks for signing up, you just copy that and go into your landing page setting. Okay, where we would put custom URL, and we'll just insert that in here. So what that means is that when somebody has opted in on your landing page, they're going to be sent to that thank you page. Now, if we wanted to make this a little bit more to our own taste, then we would go ahead, go back into design. Okay, make sure we're in design, and we're working on, make sure we're also in the right, we're working on the body font, the header font, the buttons, or the background. So we're going to be working on the header fonts. Okay, so we go in here and then we can start to alter, we can change the size, just as we did in the landing page. We can change the size of the text, the height, make it bold, italize it, for instance, underline it, Okay, anything we want to do in there. So don't forget, the thank you page is very powerful. You can use it to do many things. Start nurturing your new subscribers straight away, like I talked about in the previous video, which I'll link to in the description, or I'll put a card above. So you can use this thank you page to introduce your new subscribers to other services you may provide. You can offer them a low priced product. You can ask them to follow you on your social media site. You can show them other popular contents that you create, link them to useful posts that you may have. Start nurturing your new subscribers straight away. The thank you page is a very powerful page, so be sure to make maximum use of it. Okay, so you can put something like, I don't know why this is getting in the way. Welcome to the family. Alright, something like that. Be nice if this got out of the way. Don't know if it's me. Alright, so you can put something like that, and then you can even upload an image. Alright, anything you want to add there. So once you're all done, you now settings for your URL, you now collect your URL and go and put it here. Alright, just like that. So this landing page will now be connected to that landing to this thank you page that you've just designed, and that's that. Now let's deal with building a custom double opt-in thank you page. Now on the default setting of the landing pages, anybody clicking on the call to action button would be directed to this thank you page. This is the default setting in AWeber, which is by default a double opt-in confirmation. So after clicking the call to action button, they will now see this page, then they go to their inbox to confirm that they want to subscribe. Now if you wanted to create your own style of this particular page, use your own words, use your own colors, all that kind of thing, you can do that in the template here. Let's just have a look at how that would appear. Okay, you're almost done. So it will tell you the steps that you need to take. All right, and then you can just modify these to suit you. Okay, so we're going to choose this now. All right, so there's our page, and we can now start working on the design. So you can put something like, hey, nearly there, just need to follow the instructions below, 1, 2, 3. So however you want to design this page. So if you have a particular style you use, you can adjust this accordingly, or you can just leave it as is. So you will go into the settings. Once we've done all the alterations, we can just put one more step, for instance. All right, so let's say we wanted to you can put just one more step. All right, just one more step. So you just tweak it to how you like, your style of writing, your personal preference, or like I said, you can just leave it as is. Okay, we go back to the page and we go into settings, and there's our URL that we're going to collect. Just copy that and go back to our landing page and paste that in there. So once they've carried out the call to action here, they will now be directed to this thank you page that we just designed. Okay, and that's it. So that's how you do the custom thank you page. And there's also another way of doing a custom thank you page, and I'll cover that right now. Now the other way of doing a custom thank you page is, let's say for example you picked this template for your landing page, and you want your thank you page to look very similar in colors and the style. So you just pick this, Okay, so we're in design. So let's say we use this template for our landing page, and all we would need to do is just delete all the bits of this template that we don't need. All we're going to put on this page is thank you. You're not going to need an opt-in form on the thank you page, so definitely you delete this. You get the idea. Okay, so just delete all the bits that we don't need. So all we're doing now is just using this same framework, the same kind of colors, and what we're going to do is just write and put, you're going to remove this, we don't need that there, remove this. Okay, so just remove everything that's not needed on the thank you page, and all we're going to do is write in here thank you for subscribing if you're using single opt-in, or almost there if we're using double opt-in. Okay, so we can write here thank you for signing up or downloading or subscribing, whatever term is appropriate. Okay, thank you for signing up, and we can make the words a lot bigger. Okay, it's going to be, we just designed this a little bit more so that the words are a lot bigger and stand out more. We can make this bold. Where are we? There. Make the words a bit bigger. Okay, I know you get the idea. Don't know why it's not responding there, but you get the idea. Just make this stand out. Thank you for signing up. Put anything you want to put here. Okay, but you can see at least the framework, the design of this page is more or less the same as your landing page. So the thank you page will just flow nicely. The colors and the design, everything will flow together nicely. So when we finished, we've got thank you for signing up. So we make this much bigger. Write anything we need to write. If it's a double opt-in, we put please, we can put almost there. We wouldn't put thank you for signing up. We'd put almost there. Go to your email and confirm. So we just tell them what to do in this thank you page. And then we go to settings and we copy this URL, and we go back to our landing page and we put the URL there. So that's all done. Okay, so when they've completed the call to action here, they'll now get sent to our thank you page, which is this, and you can see it all, the design is all similar. Okay, so there's the custom thank you page. If they've already subscribed, you can design, you can leave it a simple thank you page, or you can again do like we just did here. And you can also tag your new subscribers. You can put maybe they've just collected a lead magnet, which was for, let's just say, something to do healthy hair, top of my head, healthy hair. Okay, lead magnet. All right, and that would just allow you to know where these people came from as they're being added to your list. And so that's it for the custom page. Okay, we've got the custom URL now, and that's the custom URL there for the thank you page, and that's the custom URL that they'll be sent to, and that's it. So that is how you make your thank you page for your landing page or for your funnel in AWeber. It's not too difficult once you just get in there and try things out. So you can try AWeber for free starting today. There's a link in the description. That's my affiliate link. So thank you if you do go through that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. And if you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And do subscribe, hit the notification bell for weekly helpful videos. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.